Everybody, today I'm going to give you an introduction about a GenBody COVID-19 antigen test kit. This test kit is CE certified, IVD certified and ICMR approved kit. Let me show you the complete box, the complete view of the box. Here is the side, front side. Let me take you the other side. Here you go. And here's the other side, which talks about the expiry date. Okay, here's the bottom side, and let me take you to the front side again. Just to zoom for you, this is GenBody COVID-19 antigen test kit. This contains 25 tests. Let me quickly unbox this for you. This GenBody test box contains one instruction manual for the use, and you have a sterile nasopharyngeal swab stick which is 25 numbers, and here you can see a buffer solution here. Here you go. And you have 25 extraction tubes. Here it is. And you have another 25 disposable dropper cap, and you can see 25 test cassettes here. Let me show you the two test cassettes. Okay, here you go. This is how the test cassettes will look like. The front side of the test cassette, GenBody COVID-19 antigen test kit, and this is the other side, which has the expiry date. Okay, let me quickly recap the contents here. The GenBody COVID-19 antigen test kit contains one instruction manual and 25 sterile nasopharyngeal swab stick and 25 extraction tube and disposable dropper cap 25 numbers and 2 buffer bottles, and here's the test cassette, 25 test cassettes as you see here actually. And this is the total introduction and unboxing of GenBody COVID-19 antigen test kit for you. Thank you.